The traditional ways of manufacturing HN were problematic and begged for improvement, and we'll use this small factory here to illustrate the process. Toxic reagents like hydrogen bromide were needed. The protocol called for high heat and high alkalinity to promote the reaction. Demand for solvents was higher, and purification systems led to a very low yield, creating a highly inefficient process overall. Unless the process began with chiral starting materials, some of the chemical steps would lead to equal amounts in the two enantiomers, leading to a maximum 50% yield of the desired mirror image. And we're showing that here as plain HNs and italic HNs, with all the italic ones adding to the waste stream. Overall, these conventional processes generated large amounts of waste, increasing hazards to both the environment and workers. The greener method, developed by Codexis, puts green chemistry principle number 9 into practice by using 3 designer enzymes as catalysts to make the whole process more sustainable.
Other forces can also have an effect on our body weight even before we're born. Poor prenatal nutrition is known to have a crucial impact on whether an embryo will eventually develop into an adult who struggles with obesity. We know, for example, that maternal smoking causes decreased birth weight and increased obesity in adulthood. And we know that babies who are greatly overnourished or undernourished in the womb will tend to be obese adults who suffer from cardiovascular disease. All of these factors can, in addition to overeating and not getting enough exercise, there are other factors that may be at work here. Stress, for example, is also associated with obesity. Almost everyone has had the experience of being stressed and then eating our emotions. Usually the results aren't good.
Like every one of us, every chemical has a life, from birth to death. In the beginning, chemicals are built out of raw materials, like petroleum, coal, wood, agricultural crops, water, minerals. Chemists refer to all these things as feedstocks.